Today I will show you how to calibrate pressure advanced on Clipper for the Anycubic Vyper. I copy you the link from this site down under the video. In the video description, you have to go to this link, then right-click raw and link save under, then save the STL. I've downloaded it before, so I don't download it anymore. Yeah, very important slicer settings. You have to speed up your slicer higher than 100 millimeters per second, then go to 0 infill, and the layer height should be 75% of the nozzle diameter. So if you have an 0.4 nozzle, you should make a layer high from 0.3. I've set it up my slicer to 120 millimeters per second. The infill is set it to 0, and my nozzle diameter is 0.4, so I have a base layer high from 0.3. You should deactivate the dynamic acceleration control in the slicer. Then open the STL in the slicer, slice it, and check the speed. Here you can see everything is up to 125. So only the base is printed very slowly because better attention to the bed. Yeah, I sent it now to the printer. The printer is preheated, so I have to speed up a little bit. This command you need to put in the console from printer. And the second command you need is the code for long Bowden extruders. Put it in, send it, and that's it. So my printer is starting now. I only watch one moment, please. A watch of if the nozzle is clean. And now I show you a photo where you see what is the good thing with pressure advanced. You normally have such edges on a print when it's very fast. You will have this after you configure pressure advance. The G-code commands put the pressure advance every layer a little bit higher. So after the print, you can see on which high the edge is perfect, and you can measure it out. And with this form, you can get your pressure advance. So the factor from us is 0.020. So you have to measure your high and multiplicate it with the factor, and then you have the pressure advanced. So in the console you see there's every layer it goes a little bit higher from the pressure advance, and it will take up to an hour to get the perfect edge with a Bowden. And yeah, I've only had a Pi cam, so please, I'm sorry for the bad video, but I only needed to control if the printer is printing from anywhere. Yeah. My pressure advance was configured before, but for this video I've resetted it and will measure it out new. Yeah, now it's very slow because the first layer should be printed very slow. and I will speed up the video a little bit. If there are some questions, please send it down below in the comments. I will answer every question I can answer. So after the speed up, I will show you how to implement this to the printer CFG, and yeah, let's see. So I go drinking some coffee, and after the print is ready, I will be back for you and show you how to get the pressure advance bed. You need a little bit of filament, but you will be happy after calibrate this. So let's see us after printing, and this is printed with 120 millimeters per second with pressure advance. It's not perfect, but so now we have the perfect edge. So I ended the print and measure out where's the perfect high. So just one moment, I take it off from the bed. Here you will see, oh, the focus is not on point, but I think you see where it's a good print and where it's a bad edge. From the under part, it's very bad, but if you get higher to this point, there's the perfect edge. So just one moment, I measured it out. So, okay. There is a high from 30.2. So we have to put this in the form. I take their Excel to show you how you have to calculate this. So, well, okay. The 30.2 is the measured high, and the start is 0. I 30.2, okay, and the factor is 0.02. So I multiplicate the 30.2 with the 0.02, and then I get a pressure advance factor from 0.06. 604. And this I have to put now in my printer CFG. You can copy this from the console, go to the printer CFG, then under the extruder, insert these two lines and edit the pressure advance to the calculated pressure advance. Yeah, perfect. And then click Save and Restart. Now pressure advance is perfectly calibrated. You can print faster. I hope I can help you. If you want, join my Discord, join my voice channels, and let's talk about printing or something else. Thanks a lot. I will be afraid if you like my video and give me an abo. Thank you. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.